Ladakh, a beautiful place in India. Ladakh with Himalayas, mountains, glacier and river. Ladakh, everybody wants to visit Ladakh just because of its beautiful natural scenario. Do you remember the movie Three Idiots? Do you know the real name of Rancho or Phuntsung Wangru? His real name is Sonam Wangchuk. Sonam Wangchuk is fighting. Sonam Wangchuk is protesting just because of sudden climate change in Ladakh, drinking water, fresh air and the democratic right, like 6th schedule right. We are going to present you about the Ladakh story today. Stay tuned with My News 8. On May 10th, the Ladakh protest marked its 66th day, spearheaded by Sonam Wangchuk and the local populace, advocating for inclusion under the 6th schedule and democratic rights. With the impending election scheduled for May 28th, the protesters led by Wangchuk are taking a half break or Ardha Viram. Their primary objective during this time is to educate the public about their rights. Once the election results are announced, the protest will resume, with the confidence that the new government will heed their demands. Nearly 70,000 individuals from various villages across Ladakh have actively participated in the movement.
आज लद्दाख के इस अनशन और आंदोलन का 66वां दिन है, जहां लगभग 70,000 लोग बारी बारी से आए और उन्होंने लद्दाख के पर्यावरण के संरक्षण और संस्कृति के संरक्षण के लिए 6वें शेड्यूल और लोकतंत्र की बहाली के लिए यहां भूखे रहे। और अब हम एक विराम ले रहे हैं, एक अर्ध विराम, पूर्ण विराम नहीं, क्योंकि अब 20 तारीख को लद्दाख में भी चुनाव होंगे और हम चुनाव में सीधा प्रभाव नहीं डालना चाहते हैं। हमारा मकसद था जनता को शिक्षित करना, वो हम कर चुके हैं लद्दाख में भी, देश में और दुनिया में। और इस वक्त हम 10 दिन पहले इलेक्शन से, चुनाव से इसका एक विराम ले रहे हैं और जब चुनाव के नतीजे आएंगे, नई सरकार बनेगी, तो इस अर्ध विराम के बाद हम दोबारा।
The protest has garnered support from the diverse quarters, including politicians, actors, military personnel, influencers and media outlets. The fragility of the Himalayan ecosystem due to climate change has been a central concern, with access to essential like drinking water and clean air deemed fundamental democratic right. The public is determined to vote for candidates who prioritize environmental conservation and climate action. Notably, Wangchuk's recent visit in Italy showcased the stark difference in environmental conditions, underscoring the need to safeguard Ladakh's pristine natural resources. His participation in the Trentino Mountain Film Festival further amplified the cause on an international platform.
Wouldn't it be nice if we could drink the water from fountains on the street, bathrooms and kitchens in our houses? I'm in a very beautiful mountain town. No, not in Ladakh, not in India even. I am in Trento city of Trentino region in the Italian Alps, which is so beautiful, and the air is fresh, the water is clean, the land so spectacularly beautiful.
Despite the persistent protests and fasting for democracy, the government has remained silent on the matter. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju has emphasized the pivotal role of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He asserted that only the current government possesses the requisite authority and capability to effectively tackle the region's unique issues, contrasting it with the perceived limitation of rival candidates. So this fight is not about Sonam Wangchuk or the Ladakh people. This is the fight of each and every individual to save their nature, to save birds, to save the tigers and every natural product. It's your right and you have to take care of your nature. Comment down if you do have any kind of queries about that, if you do have any kind of natural concern about that, and comment down that do you agree with Sonam Wangchuk